welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be making egg roll in a bowl. I'll be using my multi-cooker for this. I'm going to be using the deep roasting pan. This recipe is real simple. There's not a lot of ingredients. It's low carb and it's really good and it fills you. It sticks with you for a while. The ingredients are simple ingredients. I'll be using a pound of ground turkey, a pound of the coleslaw mix, a small diced onion. You can go up to a medium onion or whatever your preference is for onion. I'll be using some minced garlic, some soy sauce, and some rice wine vinegar. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to get my multi-cooker turned up to high and allow my roasting pan to preheat. It doesn't take this pan very long, maybe 2 or 3 minutes to come up to heat, which is great. My cooker has come up to temperature, so I'm going to add my ground turkey. And I'm going to crumble that up and break it up as it fries. And I'm going to cook that until it's completely cooked through. My turkey is completely cooked through, so for my next step, I'm going to add my rice wine vinegar to my soy sauce, and I'm just going to take a spoon and mix those two together. And then I'm going to pour that over top of the ground turkey. And I'm just going to mix that up together and allow it to cook for another minute or two. Okay, now that I have that mixed and heated through, my next step is to remove the ground turkey from the cooker, but I'm going to leave the juice behind in the cooker. So I'm just going to use a slotted spoon to remove that. And once I remove the ground turkey from my pan, I'm just going to set this to the side for the moment. Okay, for my next step, I'm going to add my diced onion and then my diced garlic. And I'm just going to stir this around and allow that to saute a little bit for maybe 1 or 2 minutes. At this point, you just mostly want to get that onion and garlic stirred up well in the juice that was left behind from that turkey mixture. So for my next step, I'm just going to add the coleslaw mix in on top of that. And I'll be using the whole bag. I'm just going to gently mix that. You see how this fit down in this roaster pan so nicely? Now I'm just going to put my lid on this and allow this to cook. From time to time, I'll take the lid off, give it a little stir, and I'm going to allow this to cook down. It might take 10 or 15 minutes, but once it's done, I'll bring you back. My cabbage mixture is cooked down, so now I'm going to remove my lid, and I'm going to add this ground turkey mixture back to the pot. And then I'm going to take my spoon and mix that ground turkey in with the cooked cabbage mixture and get that really mixed well. And I'm going to allow that to heat back up and get that turkey heated back up. And then I'll bring you back and be ready to serve it up. Alright, my egg roll in the bowl recipe is done. It's heated back through. Everything's nice and hot. So I went ahead and scooped me some out in a bowl. And this is really good. I like it with a little bit of guacamole. Or sometimes I'll add a little bit of sour cream or maybe just a little bit of both. But usually, almost always, I have a little bit of sour cream with mine. But you can certainly eat this just by itself, and it's good even without the guacamole or the sour cream. So I hope you've enjoyed today's video. Thank you for watching. And until next time, guys. Bye.